Feeling financially squeezed and need a quick, reliable loan? Let's walk through how to apply for a loan from Fidelity Bank entirely online. First, head to Fidelity Bank's website. That's Fidelity Bank. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. If you're already a customer, simply log in using your credentials. Before you get started, make sure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. This usually includes being a Fidelity Bank customer for a certain period, having a satisfactory credit score, and meeting specific income requirements. Check the Fidelity Bank website for the most up-to-date details. Gather all the required documents. Typically, you'll need a valid governmental ID, recent payslips to verify your income, proof of address like a utility bill, and an employment letter if you're employed. Have these scanned and ready to upload. Once logged in, navigate to the loan section. Browse through the available loan options to find one that suits your needs. Click on your chosen loan and then begin the online application. Fill out all the fields carefully and accurately. Double-check everything before proceeding. Now, upload all the required documents you prepared earlier. Make sure they are clear and legible. Poor quality documents can delay your application. Review all the information you provided one last time. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit button. You'll receive a confirmation message that your application has been submitted. Fidelity Bank will then review your application, and you'll be notified of the outcome, typically via email or SMS. That's it. Applying for a loan from Fidelity Bank online is simple and convenient. Hopefully, this helps you secure the funds you need. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful financial tips.